Well, saints of God, we are now on day 11. I hope I'm counting right. Could be day 12, but I think we are on day 11, if I calculated correctly. And as I'm talking now, there's a service that is going on. And these services are just not ending. Yesterday we had people coming from, last week we had people from Venda, from the Polokwane side. Then Izolo we had people from Botswana, 3 ladies that came from Botswana. This Friday we're going to have somebody coming from KZN. And people are starting to come from different places just to come and camp here and witness God's presence. If you were maybe doubting this, begin to take it very serious. And I'm starting to now lose count of the number of healings and miracles that are starting to happen. I know there are those who will take this serious because, abantu phela sometimes they want something to be done by a big name before they can take it serious. If you are just an unknown person, they are quick to despise, So I encourage pastors, churches, saints in different places to come and witness what God is doing. We are at number 8 Mpundla Street, Nkandla section. You can put that on your GPS. Mpundla Street, Nkandla section. And God is moving, Bazalwane. For more information, you can WhatsApp or call 061-328-4164. 061-328-4164. God is moving and a revival is upon us. A revival is upon us. We are here literally the whole day, the whole night. Those abayemsebenzini, they do go to work. Those who are going to cook and clean for their families and children, they do go to their homes and come back. So no one is bound. No one is forcing anyone. This is not a church law. We are just in the middle of a revival and we are experiencing God's glory.